Hey guys, on my YouTube channel Positive Academy. Hello divine beings. So tomorrow is 27 November. That is my birthday. Now for my birthday, I would like to say few of the things. Like the birthday is a gift also, and it's kind of sadness also. Sadness because 1 year you are having less because you are having only limited time and energy. So 1 year will be less for me. And happy because I will be shifting into new year, right? Maybe 2025. It's a blessing for me, might be blessing for me. We don't know, but it's unknown and we must trust the unknown, right? You will never be like you can never feel like there is a problem with unknown. No, if it is unknown, then also you must trust and trust the process and trust the universe. So we will be diving that into unknown in the year 2025. So we will be doing something great maybe on this channel, and I will just make my year also to be great, right? But I trust the unknown. What will happen in the unknown, I don't know, but I trust that process, right? And so yeah, it's kind of spiritual thing also, like you are trusting the unknown, right? You don't know what will be the outcome, but still you are going with it, and that's the way to go. So tomorrow will be a great day for me, right? And yeah, I'm not planning anything. I'm not celebrating my birthday. I don't celebrate with the birthday, but I do think that is a special day because we are somehow connected with our zodiac, right? The numbers, right? Everything in this life is the numbers, right? So birth date is also a number, right? Number of planets is also a number, the stars and all the things, right? The entire universe is based on number, and we ourselves are also the form of number. So you can't neglect that thing that you are born on a specific date, right? And you belong to the zodiac, and yeah, and so you are there for that, right? And it's not 100% true, right, for zodiac, but somehow you have to keep in mind that all these are connected, right? It's a spiritual way to understand, like astrology and numbers. They're just all such, all the things exist, and you have to believe that self and them, and then you have to just understand, right? It might not be 100% perfect, but still they do exist. And yes, tomorrow is my special day, and maybe there is something amazing happening. You don't know. Yet the thing is unknown because it's like one day still remaining, right? So anything can change. Every parameter can change, right? Maybe tomorrow can be another day. Maybe you find a shift in vibration in the next day. Yeah, you don't know, but yet we are trusting, and yet we are living. Same goes with your breath, right, you're living. So right now is you are breathing and you are alive, but at next moment what will happen you don't know, but still you're trusting the process. You're trusting the universe. You are believing in you are having hope that I will be alive on the next breath, right? And so yeah, you never take anything for granted. Like I'm here on 26th November, I'm living, and tomorrow my birthday, right? So I will be celebrating, and I'm glad, right? Because I'm able to see the birthday. Maybe there are people who might not see tomorrow, right, on the planet, or they might leave the earth today. So you never know, right? But you have to trust the process. You have to believe in yourself. You have to keep going. Right? It is the hope that keeps you alive. I already repeated this thing in the previous video, but I would like to repeat another thing. Like if you want to understand the life, right, you have to go to prison, right, to know that without freedom, there is nothing. Right? And you have to also visit to a hospital to see that health is everything. Without health, there is no life. And last at the end, the least is you have to also visit the cemetery, and then you will find that life is actually nothing. You will find only the dead people there, right? So life is nothing. That the roof that you are having, right, will be the ground tomorrow, right? So you don't have to consider that you are only the thing, and nothing else matters. No, no, no. You are actually nothing. You're just a point in this space, in this earth, in this entire universe, right? And so you have to know all these things, right? It is somewhat connected to your birth, right? Because being in abundant is our natural birthright. Universe is in abundance. Being free is our birthright. Being a child is our birthright, right? But there are a lot of people that forget that thing. And I already mentioned, like it's a love energy, is a soul energy. It is what it is important, right, in your entire life, right? And there are like book by Brené Brown, right, who says that the regrets of the people dying, and you can see there are top five regrets, right, which people just think that before dying, right? So you can check that book out, right? And it says a lot about working, also about living, also about your family, about how you spend time, and many different things, right? You have to be mindful where you're putting your energy out, right? Where you're just where, like, because it's so much important, but people just ignore the stuff, right? And so now one year will be less from my list. Yeah, but as I told, I'm both happy as well as sad. So it's kind of both moment, but I will celebrate it. Right? I will celebrate what is coming. I will be trusting the unknown. I will be looking forward for tomorrow. It's really great to spend this time and to be like I'm celebrating the birthday with Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee, I'm celebrating the birthday, the top martial artist, philosopher. Hmm. Yeah, so and many other personalities that I don't remember. Maybe Millie Cyrus is there, American American songwriter and rapper. So these are few personalities to whom I'm celebrating the birthday, and they are all Sagittarius. Right, and it's the same day they are born. Yeah, so it is crucial, right? When is your birthday? What you are doing at your birthday, right? People have different concepts and ideas and belief about the birthday. But this is what I believe, right? This is what I believe. And I'm analyzing my life, like where I'm going, where I was there previously. I'm only competing with myself. I'm not competing with others. For my previous was and what I was in 2018 and what I am in the 2024 and maybe in the future, what I will be, right? So I'm chasing that man which I want to become, right? So I'm not chasing anyone like celebrity because we ourselves are celebrity. You yourself is celebrity. You have all the things necessary for a celebrity. Why you're putting yourself down? Why you're considering yourself down? Why you're considering yourself you are not enough? No, 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 no. You are your own celebrity. You are the style personality. You what you wear is a style for the world. Understand that, right? People must mimic you, right? You must not mimic the celebrity, but there are people who must mimic you. That must be the power. That must be the thing. You realize your self-worth, your self-image. There are a lot of people I see, they have the problem with the self-worth and self-image. Like they put the negative word behind their name, right? So if someone is person is X, right, he will put the villain, X the villain. So what does it say? It says a lot about your self-image, your self-worth. That you are thinking that you are not good enough. That's why you are putting the negative word behind your name, right? It says a lot. It says about your personality, your character, right? So be mindful what you are doing with you, right? What is your self-talk every day? What kind of thoughts you're having? I will be making a separate video on thoughts, which will be a thought meditation, which will help you not to waste time in any others in any kind of activities which doesn't serve you or which doesn't help you. I will make a separate video on thought meditation, but you have to understand that thought is everything. With thought only everything begins. With thought only you take action. With thought only and with feeling only your drive. You're into vasanas, the desires, right? There is pain. The desires are the pain, right? Now there are people who just try to get rid of that desire from themselves. So they are free from the pain. They are free from suffering, right? Yeah, so like Krishnamurti was one who was not having any desire, whose desire was that, right? And it was not automatic. He was not forcing, but you have to learn this thing. And I will make a special video about thought meditation, how thought and feeling has a power to change you from inner side. And when you give your thought and feeling the energy, then you are into different form of desires like lust, passion, greed, anger, lot of things, right? So I will make a special video about this. But this is my birthday message from tomorrow. I hope that this really inspires you. This really motivates you. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And we might be having the future guests coming on this channel. A lot of people I have been looking to invite them on this channel, right, to share positivity, inspiration, their journey, right? So you will learn something great in the future, and I will keep rocking and rolling, right? So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.